Hey, partner. My name's Connor, from up north. I had the biggest farm in my region, livestock and a darn tootin' cornfield.
Is that so? Name's Martin. I have the biggest farm in the South. And livestock too.
All right, the question is, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken came first, of course.
It was the egg.
You got any proof for it?
Actually, I do. Right here, the chicken had to evolve from its ancestors and be put in the egg before the chicken egg was created. The egg is how the chicken continue life.
The chicken had to evolve, but it had to evolve to lay the eggs. Before that, the chicken made like any other mammal. So no one ever heard of a chicken egg before they heard of a chicken.
You're wrong, but the egg had to be laid before the chicken was created. It's just simple common sense. The chicken can't just be born like a mammal. It has to be in the egg first.
That's silly. The chick came first.
The egg came first.
The chick came first.
The egg came first.
So you know the chick came first.
The egg came first.
The egg came first.
The egg came first.
Chick came first. Chick